Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into a game changer for anyone who wears glasses or sunglasses, the LUusmm Eyeglass Scratch Remover, Lens Scratch Remover, and Eyeglass Cleaner Spray. This product is truly the best scratch remover for your eyeglasses, offering a quick and effective solution to clean your lenses and restore their clarity. If you've ever had to deal with the frustration of scratches or smudges on your glasses, you know how difficult it can be to maintain clear vision. The LUusmm Eyeglass Scratch Remover is here to help. This easy-to-use gel and spray combo quickly removes fingerprints, dust, dirt, and light oils from your lenses, making your eyeglasses look brand new again. It's designed to work on more than just eyeglasses. It's perfect for cleaning your sunglasses, mobile phone screens, keyboards, and even your laptop displays. It's a versatile, must-have item for your daily routine. The product comes in a convenient 100 ml size, making it compact enough to carry around in your bag, pocket, or even your travel kit. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on a business trip, you'll have everything you need to keep your lenses spotless and clear. The best part? It doesn't leave any streaks or residue behind. Just spray the cleaner directly on the lens, wipe with a clean cloth, and voila, your glasses are as good as new. This eyeglass cleaner is formulated with high concentration ingredients, ensuring that it cleans effectively without damaging your lenses. It works wonders on light scratches and grime but does have a limit, as deep scratches cannot be removed. Still, it's an excellent option for keeping your glasses in top condition on a daily basis. The LUusmm Eyeglass Scratch Remover is not just about cleaning your lenses, it's about preserving the longevity of your eyewear. Regular use can help maintain the clarity of your lenses and keep them looking pristine for a longer time. If you're tired of dealing with stubborn smudges or unclear vision, this product is exactly what you need. So, if you're looking for an easy, reliable, and affordable way to clean your glasses, the LUusmm Eyeglass Scratch Remover is the best choice. Say goodbye to those annoying smudges and light scratches and keep your lenses spotless with this fantastic cleaner. Trust us. Once you try it, you won't want to go without it. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best products out there.